How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's a little bit of a different day. I'm not wrenching on anything. Gonna be watching some cars. I know, great, sounds exciting. Not really, but there is a car meet going on tonight that's supposed to be pretty good. So from what everybody locally I know is telling me, so I decided to attend. But the cars have been dusty, they've been sitting, and I haven't really gone any evening-ish car meets in a while. It's been pretty cold out here in Las Vegas, but last night I took the trash out and I was like, hey, the weather's actually really nice. So decided, hey, might as well attend and check things out. I'm gonna wash the Mustang, and then also the Lexus can use a quick rinse. The Mercedes is dusty, but it doesn't go anywhere. So mainly washing this, but the big thing is it's a black car, so drying it, cleaning it, you gotta be pretty thorough. Can't be lazy like you would a silver or a white car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I just finished up washing the Mustang, and I have a little bit of a surprise for you guys. It is actually a vehicle delivery that came in from out of state. Next week is a really big dealer training trade show for the mobile electronics industry called Knowledge Fest. And with my friends at Sony, they usually have a demo car or two in their booth. So one of the vehicles was actually just delivered just right now, and I'll go ahead and show it to you. So I just got the call from the transport company. I've been waiting for this car all day, and here it is. This is Mike's Toyota CHR and Sony demo vehicle. I apologize for the car being extremely filthy. This was shipped from Michigan, and if you're from that part of the US, as you know, right now the weather's not the kindest. More or less a slightly modified CHR, has TSW wheels that I supplied him. So we're also running on some Toyo tires. The interior here, it is filthy. Has the new Sony stereo. Let's open the trunk, see what's in the trunk. Look, very nice. So yeah, this is Mike's CHR. It will be on display in the Sony booth at Knowledge Fest this coming week. Hope He comes in a little early to get this thing detailed. It is pretty nasty. But yeah, gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up the Mustang and take it out tonight and have some fun with it. Wasn't really planning on doing this, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car for Mike. It's filthy and disgusting and can't stand it, so just being nice. I already have everything out, so might as well, right? But yeah, if you're going to be at Knowledge Fest, leave a comment down below. If you're working the show or going to be attending, I'll be there as well. It'd be nice to kind of meet some people that are out there on YouTube and through the socials.
2,000 years later.
On my way over to the meet, it's about 10 minutes away from my house. So, you know, not too far. Car's running great as always. This car is unbelievably fun to drive. I do some quick pull videos, but actually kind of stuck in a little bit of traffic. So I'll check back in once I get there and kind of show you the local car scene, I guess. And I guess apparently it's a grand opening for a birria taco spot, so I'm gonna try that out.
1 winner later.
Alright, so I'm here over at the meet. Actually went and got food before I started filming. It's obviously dark outside, but the food was okay. But it's to celebrate their grand opening, which they're not open yet. They brought their mobile trailer instead of having the restaurant open. And obviously there's a bunch of idiots here already. So I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough even though the meet's not full, and probably get out of here because it's getting kind of stupid already. So yeah, enjoy the walkthrough. Left the meet, heading over to a restaurant to meet up with some friends and grab dinner and finish watching some basketball. But thanks again for tuning in. Definitely do appreciate you guys watching all the videos, leaving likes and comments. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, you guys take care, and again, thank you for watching.